we are going to make kenkey. And as usual, this is corn leaf. This is corn leaf. Okay, yes. And we have finished making our kenkey. That is cooked corn dough with mixed corn dough. We mix together, and that is I'm prepping the leaf so that we get ready to rumble. Okay, so stay tuned and check the outcome. I want to get a bigger size of the leaves, so this is how it is. So I'm trying to get the size of it, you see, and then I do what I just start molding my kenkey. Yes, I have my brother here with me today. I'm just using him for today because when he goes, I'm not gonna get him again. So I'm just using him today. And I didn't do well. I have cut my hand. My hand is cut, so I just that's it. You see, you get the bigger size of it. You see, very big. Yeah. See how it is. Okay. Yep. So we will take you through the process of molding, and then after it's well cooked, we will let you know the outcome. Okay. I always say to my lovely people, my friends and followers, and everybody that try and use your hand to do something when you are in Europe, abroad, anywhere. Make good use of your internet. Okay. Try and learn something. This kenkey thing, I'll give the credit to Sweet Ajele TV on YouTube. I give the credit to her because I watched the process from her channel, and I did the first one and it picked, and this is the second one I'm doing, you see. So the first one it came out so good, and this is the second one I'm trying to. So that one too, I hope it's going to come out so good. And after that, my shitter and everything is ready. So stay tuned and let's go. Thank you. Cut it. So as you can see, this is the chef for today. Yeah, my brother. He is, so trying to help a sister. Yes, so we are going to mold the kenkey, but he wants to try and onu kakra. Aye. He's trying to mix it well. Yeah, he's trying to mix it too. So after which I'm going to mold with him together, and then when it's done, we will let you know. Thank you. Hello, chef. Hi. Hello. How are you? So guys, the cake is ready and here we are enjoying. Thank you for watching
this episode. We will bring you more. Love you all, and I've missed you. I'm gonna come back like never before. If this is your first time, we will urge you to subscribe, like, share, and comment for more videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.